Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Voice commands are not working for some apps. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles, select one profile, go down, set Google Assistant. Then we need to enable voice control. See, voice control already enabled here. Then go down, set searchable apps. Here you can see list of apps. Let's take an example. If voice commands are not working with Netflix app, you have to ensure that Netflix app has been enabled here under searchable apps list. See, right now Netflix has been disabled. Let me enable. Done. After this, you can check voice commands with Netflix app. That should work. So this way we can fix that issue. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.